Hi, my lovely kids. This is Miss Mina. Welcome to Wednesdays with me. I'm delighted to share today's book, What's That Noise by Jade Michael. After reading this book, I want you to draw a picture from any part of this book and send it to my email, which I'm going to write it here in the caption for you. Okay, let's begin. One day, Violet Flowers goes to live in an old blue house on a hill. Violet Flowers is 9 years old. She's got a small suitcase and a new violin. A family of mice live in an old blue house too. Merlin and Mina live downstairs in a dining room. The door of their mouse house is next to the fireplace. Every morning at 8 o'clock, Merlin and Mina go to look for food for their breakfast. They carry the food on a skateboard. I'm tired, Mina says. I like apples, bananas, and grapes, Merlin says. One day, Merlin and Mina hear a terrible noise. They run out of their mouse house. They are very scared. Then they go to find Uncle Matthew. Uncle Matthew is a very clever mouse. He lives in the kitchen in an old blue house. What's that noise? Mina says. I don't know. Come on, Mina. Let's find Uncle Matthew, Merlin says. Uncle Matthew lives on a shelf next to a window. Uncle Matthew is very worried. There is a terrible noise in the dining room. We're scared. Oh dear, what is it? Let's investigate. Uncle Matthew goes with Merlin and Mina. He hears the terrible noise. Listen, the noise is coming from upstairs. Be careful, Uncle. The stairs are very high. Oh, Uncle Matthew is very brave. Then Uncle Matthew goes upstairs. Violet Flowers is in her bedroom. She's playing her new violin. She can't play very well. The noise is horrible. Uncle Matthew speaks to Violet. Oh, hello. Hello, excuse me. I'm Michael Matthew. What's your name? Oh, help! Help! It's a mouse! Violet Flowers is very scared of mice. She screams and drops her violin. She jumps on a table. Uncle Matthew comes downstairs and tells Merlin and Mina about the adventure. Now Violet is scared and her violin is broken, says Uncle Matthew. Oh, good. No more noise, says Merlin. Violet Flowers is so scared. She runs away and she never goes back to the old blue house again. Good night, Mina. Good night, Merlin. Now our mouse house is quiet again. I hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to draw your pictures and send them to my email. I'm impatient for next Wednesday and another story. Stay safe. I love you all.